All right, I've gotten my solar back. Right now I'm showing only 56 watts, but the sun just up behind a cloud. It just popped out 151 watts, 176 watts. That's what I was looking for. I went up to 60 amps over here, and I have got a buttload of solar on this thing now. So I think I just might have blown it, and who knows, after reset this one might work fine. Of course I didn't lose anything with this, because I do plan in the not too distant future to potentially, I don't know if you can even see that there, but it's showing 147 watts now, so I got a little sun out. So my intention is, and I've got it sideways in this little rack because I wasn't going to mount it until I made sure it was working. So, you know, I'll work on mounting it now, but now I'm finally getting the power I need to run an AC. I just want to be overpowered for the Texas summer, and hopefully I won't have any other hiccups, and it'll work. Going outside here real fast. I plan to sort of neaten up this setup I've got here, but you know, it just fell apart, so I just threw it together again because I had to make sure I had a proof of concept, and it works fine. I did hook it back up because I had disconnected my rear panels that was charging my little auxiliary batteries down here, and I hooked them back up to the panels on top here, and I've got over here, I don't know if you can see it from this position, maybe now you can't, it's got some delamination on this thing. It's been up there about 2 years, and that's the one thing bad about foldable panels, is that delamination, and so I might have to replace those. Hopefully they'll make it through this summer, but I'm probably getting some degraded output from those. I don't know, I'll think about it. In any case, let me get this back up here. I don't know why I keep carrying this little camera case, but I do hook this thing up here. If I can get it up here. I'll hook it up here so it doesn't put too much weight on there. So let me get back up here. See, so I've got it running back over here, and I've got this this crap nest of wires again. I'm going to have to try to fold up and tie up. But I just got this going today, well, fully today. So, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on myself. I just want to get the darn thing to work, so I wouldn't have this hanging over my head. But good Lord willing, I'll be able to make it into the summer and through the summer with this setup. As tacky as it is, it'll function well enough to keep me cool this summer. And I'm thinking about getting a box and putting some of that tape around it to hide this, or just, I don't know, just getting some white plastic or something around this. But first I've got to make sure it's fully functional, and it's functioning fine now, so I don't and I got to neaten it up, so I could screw it up again. But hopefully it was just an issue with an insufficiently powered solar controller. I have my doubts, but by changing the solar controller, it did begin to work. I'm not bad-mouthing the old controller. Like I say, I was doing a lot of stuff, and maybe I sort of hacked it up. And once again, I still haven't cleaned that off because it wasn't working. So I pretty much lost my motivation to improve something that wasn't working. All right, now that's all I've got. Still got the little, I don't know if you can even see it through this window here. Yeah, probably not. There it is, yeah. Still got the zero breeze there. I haven't moved it. I'm just waiting to get this back before I began to use it on a consistent basis again. And it has been cool, so there was no reason to use it over the last few days, because it's still spring, and we're having some iffy weather every now and then. So just wanted to get this done and move on. So I just want to give you a note. It's back. It's working again. I've got to I've got to do some more cable control again because I had to plug everything back up, and I did it a different way, so it's messed up big time. So, all right, I'll worry about cleaning it up later, but just want to give you know I'm fully powered now. I'm pulling down 176 watts when the sun is right at its peak. So I'm doing real well. I'll be back with some more interesting stuff, and hopefully I'm gonna do some recent. I'm still importing knife reviews from my old channel, and I'll be doing some active reviews of new tools. I've got at least one more coming in, so you'll see that in the near future.